Oh, crikey, mates, I tell you what. You wouldn't believe what I've discovered out here in the wilderness on my never-ending search for the amazing. What I've discovered is AZMcleaning.com. Ha! Now, AZM cleaning services are fully insured, mate, and bonded, and they use eco-friendly products. Mate, they specialise in residential and commercial cleaning. You'll be doing yourself a favour, so give them a call at 207 282 5929 or visit them on the web at azmcleaning.com for a free estimate. You'll be doing yourself a favour. Catch you later.